to a new adventure. Today is a cheerleader adventure. No boating today.
Front door.
Ah, the door's stuck.
The door's stuck. Okay, hold on. All right, so we're ready. Yes. You ready? You ready to cheer? Are you ready? You're not ready? Oh, let's go back to sleep. You're not ready? Are you guys nervous? Why?
Because we're going against our strongest team.
You guys are going against the strongest team?
The Sharks. And we're only going against them, so like we're gonna lose.
Hey, but aren't you guys good?
No.
What?
It keeps falling.
What kind of confidence is that? Oh my god.
Samir put extra practices because she wasn't confident in us.
Oh, for real? Oh, don't worry, you guys will do good.
Yeah, because you usually only practice Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Let's go, baby.
Every single day of the week.
You gonna cheer too?
Yep.
Oh, you guys got a new cheerleader. All right, so let's go with the show.
Oh, got it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're not gonna be late, girl. Relax and enjoy. Oh, you gotta stuff here. You gotta clean. Woo, boy. That's when I'm a steamboat feel like Dora the Explorer, because every time she put on the seatbelt she said, seatbelt for safety.
She says,
Seatbelt.
cinturones para que estemos seguros.
And we're heading down south on the Palmetto, and finally 95% of the construction on the Palmetto is done, but that won't last because they'll break it up something else and start all over again. And we're here at the University of Miami Convention Center, and like you can see, it's brand new and it's really big. And also, it was hard to find parking. I had to go around the parking lot a few times, and then once I found something, I had to pay for it. I don't think it's fair. Well, I guess they have to make money too. So yeah, the kids are excited and we're here, so let's hang out with them. Here we're Gabby and the team waiting around because it's about 1:30 and they're supposed to perform around 4, so we have to sit around for a few hours, but it's good. The girls are excited and ready to go. Well, I was wrong. I thought it was a convention center, but it's actually the University of Miami basketball team arena. And like you can see, it has a lot of seating. And I don't know the capacity, but I guess they're expecting a lot of people. Oh, okay, I got you.
Y'all sound ready to get this party started. So without any further delay, let me introduce to you our judges. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for our head judge, the lovely Miss Pam Younts. We're here to make some noise for the lovely Miss Kara McDaniel.
Well, I got a little distracted because I was watching my friend's post on Instagram that he was at the sandbar, and it looked like it's really good today. But, you know, I could go to the sandbar any other weekend, but this one's special because I'm here to see Gabby perform. It's time for the mini NGA cheerleaders to perform. The minis are the smaller girls in school, mostly elementaries. Well, I don't really know how the judges score the cheerleaders, but I'm guessing it has to be coordination, technique, and how in sync they are with each other, and if they don't do anything wrong. Because I know they take off points when something happens, like one falls or doesn't do the stunt the right way. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video a little bit and take off the audio because you know the copyright infringements. Now it's turn for Gabby's team, NGA varsity team. Her team consists of elementary and middle school kids. I'm really glad Gabby got into cheerleading and gymnastics because, believe it or not, in my younger years, I used to do a lot of tricks on a diving board and always jumping around doing flips. Okay, I know it's hard to distinguish, but Gabby's the one in the back being thrown in the air. And now she has to run to the front because she's going to get thrown again. She's going to be the center front flyer. This routine, she's still the center flyer. Now in this stunt, she's the one in the front, and it got really scary because I thought she was gonna fall.
Give it up one more time for Maryland's Academy.
I'm pretty sure as a parent and the parents that were there, they feel very proud and excited because they completed their routine without falling or anything going wrong. Now this is pretty cool and fun. They asked almost all the teams to go to the floor and go ahead and dance the big cha-cha slide. There must have been at least 15 to 20 teams participating in the cheerleading competition. And every team participates in different categories depending on their stunts and skill level. And MGA won first place in their category. And overall, meaning out of the whole 15-20 teams that competed against each other, they got first place and they won the grand prize to go compete next weekend to Orlando. So we're very proud of Gabby and the team